Here is how you add an image into Google Slides and write down where you got that image from. Go to the slide you want to add the image to. Go to Insert, Image, Search the Web, and then put your search term in here. I'm going to put in a mushroom. And boom, up come my images. One thing you need to keep in mind, Google Images is not very accurate, and that happens to be a spiraceous mushroom up here at the top. I'm not convinced that one is. Spiraceous, spiraceous. But here we get down. That is definitely not a spiraceous. That's a turkey tail. Not even close. You need to be careful. Google is not always accurate. But that first one is. That's what I'm going to put in my slideshow. I'm going to hit Control. Now this is on my Mac. I don't know what you have to hit on your Chromebook, but pressing the Control button down and clicking opens up this little image window, and I want to copy the image address. I've got Control pressed this whole time. Copy image address, and now I want to select that image going over. I'm going to insert it. There's my image. It's obviously way too big. Got to make it smaller. Try not to do this to it. It's just ridiculous when people do this garbage. Come on now. You can do better than that. Aspect ratio the same. I don't know if I can undo that now. That's about right. Get it from the corner, resize it from the corner. You can also crop the images too if you want to. I don't really want to crop this one, but let's say that I did. If I double click it, I can grab those little black bars, drag it in. There we go. There we go. And now I've got a cropped image. So there's my image. If you remember, I copied the image address. So I'm going to take my text box here, shrink it down this way, shrink it down this way. My image is way too small for this slide. And then I'm going to just paste that image address that I copied from before. So now I've got my image. I've got where I got it from. I've cropped it a little bit. I would do another image next to it if that's what my slide requires. Add another text box. Right now I'm going to fix this one here though, because let's just face it, this bothers me. Let's put a text box now on top of your mushroom to identify it. Go up to the little text box symbol there, the T with the box around it. Insert your text box, start typing. The text obviously is not going to show up well, so there's two things you can do to solve that problem. One is to change the color of the text. Sometimes that helps. Sometimes that isn't enough, and you'll have to go and actually highlight the area behind the text, in which case that does work. Then you just adjust it to where you like it, and you're good to go. Good luck.